back, everybody, and welcome to my defense one. I might make other defenses, but this is my first defense. Might not be if you've seen my other defense videos, but from where I'm at the point, it is my first defense one. Okay, you'll need this spinny thing like we usually do. Two of these, the only reason I switched the color is because they'll be used in different positions. Two of these cones. Ten of these faucets. And let's jump right into it. So we start off with one of our things, look like that. Cones look like that. No, I'm only gonna put on one cone because the other cone is essential. 2. Okay, now we take 5 of these, and then we take that one cone in the faucet, and then we put it in there so it should look like that. And then we keep on doing that until it's built up 5. Whoa. Sorry about that. And then we make it like that. And that's how it should look right now. Then we take off the other cone, do the exact same thing on the other side. And then I'll show you how I balance these since it's already unbalanced. Like I said, you're gonna need that second 2x1. And then we reattach this. Should all be in place. We take that final one, lift this up, put it there. Now, the butter can be used as defense or a gun or offense. So, the defensive mode doesn't need a guy. It just stands there, extra protection. But if you use it as a weapon, it has 2 sides of rocket launchers. And then he just sits like that, does that, and there you have it. That's it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. And I am glad to be here.